Hi boys and girls, I'm back, and right now I'm going to show you how to make a milk color sensory activity. So we have some dishwashing liquid, I have a few colors of food coloring, and some milk, and the straw. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour some milk into my container. And the next thing I'm going to do is take some food coloring and drop a few drops inside of my milk. So I have orange, I have a few drops of red, I have a few drops of blue, and a few drops of green, and I do mean a few drops. Next, I'm going to take my dishwashing liquid and my straw, and notice the colors are going to kind of run from the straw. And you can continue to do this and make a colorful science observation. You'll see it running. And the more soap you have, it'll run away from the colors. When you mix them all up, you have a colorful solution that you can enjoy looking at, see the swirls, and you can also put your finger in it and watch the colors run away as well. Hope you enjoyed this activity, and I hope you have more food coloring than what I had. Bye. Today we're going to make a weaving fish. So I just have construction paper, and I took an ink pen and I drew a layout of a fish, and I cut up a few strips of orange paper that I'm going to use to weave. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my scissors, and I'm going to cut out the fish that I drew on my paper. And once I'm done cutting the fish out, I will make the slits in the fish where the weaving strips are going to go. Alright. So that part is done. So my fish looks like this. And as you can see, I put little slits with my ink pen in the fish. So with the sharp part of the scissors, I'm just going to poke holes. And then I can actually use the scissors to cut the slits completely. And I'll show you what that looks like in 1 second. So I have the holes where the slits are, and now I'll just cut straight lines where I put the holes so the paper can go through. Almost done. Now I have complete slits through the fish, and you can see the entire slit is there. So now I'll take a strip of my paper and I will weave it through. So you put it in through the front. and in through the back. And it goes all the way in, and you pull it all the way out, like so. And I'm going to add a slit right here just so you can see the whole thing. So that's one row that I have weaved. So next I'll do the same thing for this row. Pull it through the back, push it through the front, pull it through the back, and push it through the front. This can get tricky if you don't cut the slits long enough. And that's the second row of my fish. And then for the third row, into the front, pull through the back, into the front, and pull through the back. So you can add more slits to your fish, and then when you're done, just clip the ends off. But you get the general idea. To make it more colorful, you can use different strips of paper. You can add slits. You can do upward designs, downward designs. You can also add them to the fins if you would like. But here's your at-home weaving fish. Until next time.